Family members of Jamaica's COVID-19 patient zero has been receiving death threats.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Relatives of the woman who became Jamaica's first confirmed case of the coronavirus have been getting death threats from angry residents in their community. This according to family members. Family members opened up about how they have been stigmatized and shunned by taxi operators, shopkeepers and other residents in their Bull Bay St. Andrew community and their struggles to cope. Some of them don't have any food since Tuesday night. If they want to go downtown to purchase supplies, nobody not taking them in them vehicle because they know them from the community, a relative said. And even if they go to places like hardware stores, they are not selling them. The family members acknowledged that they are cousins of the woman identified by health authorities as patient zero, who is a Jamaican visiting from the United Kingdom. Other family members refused to engage the media because they were fearful for their safety. The family members disclosed that patient zero's condition has been steadily improving, but said they have not been able to ascertain the status of 10 other family members who were taken from their homes last Tuesday night by health authorities and placed in quarantine facilities. She is improving, they said of patient zero, who, according to health officials, arrived in the island from the UK on the 4th of March for a family member's funeral 3 days later. The latest update that we got is that she's not having any fever. She is fine. That is what she has told other family members when they call her. The two relatives admitted that they have had close contact with their cousin, including at the funeral, and that they have self-quarantined on the instructions of health authorities, but said they have not had any symptoms of the coronavirus. Until now, there is no one else in the family who has any symptoms or nothing at all, they said. Despite this, they claimed members of the family, including children, have been verbally abused and threatened with violence by angry residents because of speculations in viral social media messages, which suggested that they knew their cousin was stricken with the virus and kept it quiet. Further, the two family members say other residents are furious over the community-wide dislocations since health officials confirmed that the first case of the coronavirus was in the seaside community east of Kingston. Among other things, one resident reported that before the quarantine, nervous taxi operators refused to provide service to and from the community since it was confirmed that patient zero resided there. They, the residents, were saying that she knew she was infected and we kept it like that, and that the whole of Wi-Fi dead off. Names and pictures all over social media. Even my children get involved, the family member said. Persons in the community or wherever they come from were threatening to say they should burn down the house and such things. They admitted that they are nervous and fearful and made a compassionate plea to the entire country. We are just like everybody else. We are human beings and we have feelings. We have learned to live with HIV. It does not make any sense they run and try to punch us out because there are other persons who have it and who they don't know about. The two family members who were at the funeral held at the Grace Gospel Hall in nearby Harborview dismissed reports that their cousin displayed symptoms of the coronavirus during the funeral service. When I got there, I went to her because she wanted me to make notes of something for the funeral, and I was with her for some time. Nobody was coughing or anything like that. She was sweating, but it was not like how they are exaggerating about. It is not true, they insisted.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.